God bless you and your husband to be.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Marian! Hi, Marian! Congratulations on your wedding!
Congrats! Enjoy your honeymoon!
Enjoy your day!
Go.
Hi, Marian! Congrats!
Congrats!
Submit your husband. Tulad din ako.
Last
Marian,
sila.
congrats and God bless on your new journey. And always put God first in your new chapter of your life.
Sabuyan niya, may nariyan, ni Monik ka. Ay, nagalinti.
Chocolate!
Submit to your husband.
Happy wedding and more babies to come.
Uy, maujo kay gwapo kayong ba?
Mawa ka po. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Congrats, ate!
Hi Marian, congratulations.
Hi, Mariani. I'm glad to hear you are getting married. Wow, this is it. Congratulations, and I miss you.
Hello, Yan. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
Congratulations, Yan!
Hi, madam. Congrats sa imong umaabot nga kasal. Kanindot untag anhi kakaslon sa Pilipinas kay mo attend ko bisag dili ko invited. Bitaw, malipayon kay ko para nimo. Congrats.
Omega, congratulations. Wishing you all the love and happiness in the world and can't wait to see you and your hubby soon. Love, love.
Hi, Mom! Congratulations on your wedding day. I'm so happy for you. Wishing you love, joy, and happiness as you begin together with your new life with your husband. Stay blessed, and God bless you always. I love you.
Congratulations to the newlywed couple. Grow and multiply.
And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. Hi, Gift. I just would like to say congratulations. Finally, mahimo na kang membro sa kulto na to, mga minyo. Anyway, Gift, you were one of the greatest friend that I had. Usa ka sa pinaka-treasure na ko nga mga friends, few friends that I have. And nagpasalamat ko sa atong buhi nga Dios that finally ang usa sa imo mga giampo is going to happen. And di lang basta-basta ang iyang gihatag nimo Gift, but gihatag niya ang pinakagwapo. Puti. Oh, di ba? Gift, excited ko sa new journey nga imong pagbuhaton sa imong life together with your husband, and I'm so excited because finally you will be able to experience akong mga na-experience na mo being married. And I just would like to remind you that being married is not always a happy ride. I would like also to remind you nga you have to have an open mind. Always, usara gyud akong advice ninyo managtiayon for your husband and for you is that do not let yourselves both of you nga you will sleep on the argument. Kinahanglan ma-solve ang argument before heading to bed. And continue to choose love even if unlovable na kayo ang imong partner, because they always lovable atong mga partner Gift. So congratulations Soon you will be singing that I Choose You song. And I pray, dili ko mag-wish, but I am going to pray that you will enjoy being married. Excited na ko nga na I gift nga gagmay. Make a lot of kids because I know you're going to have very cutie offsprings. And I love you, Gift. I wish I am going to witness your wedding, but since layo man kayo mo, my prayers are with you guys. Enjoy and congratulations on your wedding day. I love you, Gift.
Hi, Yan. Congratulations. We have been praying for this. I'm so grateful to God that Fabio is there for you, and now he is officially your husband na. So I'm really thankful for that. Don't forget that I am here for you always. Your family, so grateful for you, and we love you. As a married woman, please don't forget to say I love you and thank you every day, that you are proud of him, and that you don't keep secrets from him, even if you don't understand, or maybe especially when something's bothering you, you tell him. So he is your best friend, and you support him all the way. Okay, so say thank you, say you are proud of him as much as you can, and then you be grateful for each other para smooth lang po na inyong na marriage, and make God center of your marriage, because he is the keeper of relationships. And I really thank God that wala na, settled down na tanan, anak nilang papa. So really thankful, and may God bless your marriage, and I'm sure that you would be happy, because I can see that you have been happy being single, so I know you will be happy being married as well. Thank you so much for your love, and this is your day, so may our support be maabot din ha sa inyo, and I'm always here for you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, ate. Good morning din. Congratulations sa inyong wedding, Fabio. Salamat lang gid mi sa Ginoo sa iyang kaayo sa imong kinabuhi, from pag-abroad mo until sa karon nga time nga mag-settle down na ka. Kabalumi unsa jud ka busy diha, sukad sa engagement, sa pagplano sa schooling in between, and traveling to Portugal in between, hangtod sa pag-abot ni mama diha. Pasensya kung wala may makagilty gyud nga dili mi makaara, but saon lisod man gyud, but kabalumi nga di siya kabiyaan sa Ginoo, and kabalumi kung sa kamayo ang Ginoo gyud sa mga life, and mapasalamaton gyud mi sa Ginoo kung giunsa niya pag-pastor gyud imong kinabuhi ate, after all the struggles and tanan experiences gyud nga iyang i-allow sa imuha, now naging fruitful gyud, naa sa imong pangandoy nga work diha, nakaskwela ka, and sa lain na pud nga field, and nindot jud na nga blessing, and karon nga gihatag sa Ginoo ang right person para nimo nga gi-value ka and gi-love ka. Padayon mi upay ate nga kanang ang Ginoo magpatunga gid sa inyo nga mag-grow mo together, and because the best form of family is naagid ang love triangle with God in the center, and I hope sa inyong pag-uli puhon wala may nagdali nga muli mo, but ang baby ang mag-una kay ang edad, muna enjoy, and gabi among kalipay, and we hope unta gud nga naka-witness mi diha, but we are with you in prayers, and happy good kay mi ate. We love you and we miss you good, and enjoy po sa inyong honeymoon, sa inyong life as a married couple. And salamat po mi kang Fabio nga naa siya is makampandigid mi nga naagid kay partner gid diha nga makauban someone gid nga cherish ka and love ka. And thank you sa tanan-tanan ate. Happy good me nga muna, and excited me sa inyo nga children pohon. Excited me gay magka pag umangpo na may natugilong nandun pa ni mama. And enjoy sa inyong wedding. Nagpalayo na gud minimo ate with our prayers, and we pray nga maayong panahon. Last year sa Ginoo, but you know wala man jud perfect na wedding, but ang pinaka-importante nga mag-matter lang yun is ang ceremony, and ma-enjoy yun yung duha, because marriage, or I mean wedding, is for you both man yun. So kanay lang palabi kayo og stress, and hope nga nakasabot ka nga wala may nakaara, but mamawi gud mi ate ini ari ninyo pohon. Wala man mi nagdali ninyo nga muli, but na-enjoy lang, and baby pohon and naot nga dili po ka magpabaya gud labi na sa tong maintenance kabalo na ka nindot diha kay libre man jud ang inyong consultation and medicine. Muna ka nang be healthy along with Fabio, and enjoy life. And ako lang ibilin nga verse at is mo jud among verse na ginapahawakan is Colossians 3:23. Whatsoever you do it heartily as to the Lord and not unto men. So kana lang kana nga powerful yung message, and sampit lang gid sa Ginoo ate, ayaw mo kalimot ni Fabio, and hopefully nalagay mo siya sa church and sa Ginoo. Siya gid ang magpatungo sa inyo, and stay as what you are. And salamat sa suporta ate. Sukad sa pagkabata kang tagkaroon, kilak ko na bitaw. Kung muhila kayo man ako, sige gilak. Mo to, labi na ilang mama o papa, maski ka na nakasalayo. Thank you sa support, and bawi lagi mi ate inig uli po kun. Muna, thankful po me sa inyong mga friends and barkada nga naa diha, and above all good sa Ginoo sa iyang kamaayo gid sa imong kinabuhi. And grabe good ang imong hagud nga pangandoy yung hinahanay in His perfect time. Muna enjoy your time po nila mama o papa, and I hope pag uli nimo makaspend your tagtaas-taas na time. And we love you, and pray rami nimo ate. Bye.
Hi Diane, just want to say congratulations, and we are very excited sa imong wedding, and we are very happy na you found someone who will love you and take care of you. And remember nga we are here for you, ang imong family. If na kay mga struggles or mga problems masagatan sa imong marriage, ayaw kaulaw o storya na mo, or ask sa mua, labi na namo ni manang nimo, ni mama, ng papa. We are here for you, and we are very happy na at last you found na good someone na to be with you forever. And good luck, and just enjoy your wedding, and we love you.